G'day guys, Harry here from Paperless. This has been a big week, probably our biggest ever. We've shipped over 50 features and improvements in 7 days. I'll hit the highlights that matter the most to you. Let's start with the CRM board. Your lead cards now show a total number of days that leads have been in the pipeline, so you can see how long a lead's been in your system at a quick glance. We're now flagging stale leads that have been sitting in the same stage for over 7 days, so nothing slips through the cracks. You can also look into the lead detail panel, and it's had a major upgrade. You can now upload documents and images directly into the lead, and it's in line. You don't have to go to a separate form. It's added thread comments right here at the bottom too for your team, and you edit the lead address with Google autocomplete at the top here. It syncs both ways with the project eventually, so when you create these leads and it converts to a project, you can either update the CRM side or you can update the project side, and they are both in sync with each other. You can also email all your contacts on a lead straight from the CRM card using our inbuilt email system that's in the communication section. There's now a delete button here as well when you need to clean up. We've also linked the estimates, as you can see here, to leads, so that when you convert a lead to a project, the estimate files carry across into the documents automatically. We've had 2 massive new modules added in this week. First, the request for quotes. There's a new 5-step wizard. It picks up your project, you choose the trade, like here, we write up the scope or let AI draft the scope, as done here, take a read of it and make sure it's right, select your subcontractors, as you can see here, and then you send it off and wait for their responses. So as an example here, we've got this out, which I've already sent, and you can track these and keep a close eye on the current status of each response. Second, client quotes. You can create a professional quote from your estimate with a branded PDF. Cover pages, itemized pricing, scope, exclusions, terms, customize it with your logo and your cover image. When it's ready, send it for digital signature through our digital signing partner, Bold Sign. Your client gets a link, signs it, tracks it. You can even share a public link for clients to view. And when you pay a subcontractor invoice, you can use the same process and have a remittance advice branded PDF emailed straight to them with a live preview before sending it. For 0 users, per project tracking is now available as well. So we've now done per project tracking categories. They're all live. Every invoice and bill pushed to 0 gets tagged with the project name, so you can run profit and loss reports per project directly in 0. Very exciting for us, as I think we are the first Australian company in this space that's able to do that. We've also added bi-directional purchase order sync and a new financial reports hub with advanced reporting tools. We fixed the margin calculation in project models. It was using markup formulas before, and we've now aligned both markup and gross margin numbers, so they're both accurately responding to your inputs on which you prefer. You can either choose markup or gross margins. The whole portal has been reorganized. The sidebar now follows your workflow: CRM, then projects, then financials, in the order you actually use them. It's collapsible on every page to give you more screen space too. So I'll show you that. Project tabs are now flat and scrollable instead of a cramped tab bar. And we've consolidated clients, subcontractors, and team into a single people bar right here. Your dashboard has been redesigned with new tiles and a schedule summarizing everything that is coming up in the workflow too. You can also take a look at the scheduling that's right here at the bottom. This is set in each of your projects. The estimate import tool now supports spreadsheet uploads and manual entry as well, with a smart 3-pass column mapping algorithm and AI fallback so that it reads your files accurately every time. You've got full category editing available to you, improved line items, and configurable templates. And that's an example of what that looks like. The selection lists now have a dedicated configuration page where you can set up tiers, categories, and a selection matrix for your projects. You can also delete variations now at any stage, not just drafts. I'm not showing that on this screen, but that's under the variations page. Registration on the front side of our platform has also been simplified to just 6 fields. We've added ABN verification too for builders in the portal, making life a lot easier for when you have to find your company name and don't have to look up your ABN because it's directly there in front of you. You just have to look up the state and the company just to make sure it's all lined up. On the front side, we've also added the Cloudflare control to stop bots trying to enter our platform. The more popular we get, we start to see that there's a greater interest to try to get into our platform for reasons, not illegitimate reasons, basically. And as a result, behind the scenes, we've done a full security audit. 18 API routes have got authentication added. We've hardened row-level security policies across the database. We've added rate limiting on all of our public endpoints, and we're preventing filter injection attacks across the board from our platform. Your data is 100% locked down here, and we're trying our very best every day to keep this platform as secure as possible. So that's the week. RFQs, client quotes, remittance advices, zero project tracking, a completely redesigned portal, smarter estimates, and a major security overhaul. If you need help with anything, hit the chat on our help page or flick us an email. I'll see you next week.